So this is the very gorgeous orchard field. The field's divided into two parts. So in this part, I decided that it would be a great idea to have a flower garden. I think it's fair to say I bit off more than I can chew. We started digging this area quite a while ago, and the plan was that all of this would be filled with lovely flower beds. So far, I've got about a quarter of it done. Now, what I didn't realise was just how heavily weeded and how stony this area was. So I focused really on getting as much into this little space as I could just for this summer, and we've had some absolutely breathtaking dahlias from here. But all of this is going to have to come up again. I'm going to take the bulbs up, keep them over winter. Same with the gladdies. And then I've got the daunting job of getting all this ready for the spring. But when you get things like this, it's very worthwhile. So I'll give you an update later on in the year when I get my digging boots on, and we'll see how things go.